Welcome back to Mr. English Workshop, dear friends. We are Mia and William, and we are so happy to practice English with you.
Yes, and today we will talk about our weekend story. Maybe it will give you ideas for your next Saturday and Sunday.
Before we start, please like this video and subscribe to our channel. It helps us grow and make more lessons for you.
On Saturday, I woke up early. The city was quiet. The air was fresh. I made a cup of coffee and looked out the window.
Early? On Saturday? That is brave. I usually sleep longer.
I like peaceful mornings. After coffee, I went to my small garden. I have tomatoes and bright flowers there.
That sounds beautiful. What did you do in the garden?
I watered the plants and removed weeds. It was simple work, but it made me feel calm and happy.
My Saturday was different. I tried something new. I decided to paint for the first time.
Wow, that is exciting. What did you paint?
I went to the park and tried to paint the lake. But the water was not only blue, it was green and gray too. It was difficult. It looked a little strange, but I enjoyed the process. I listened to birds and children playing. That was the best part.
In the afternoon, I went for a long walk in the forest. The trees were tall, and I saw a small river.
That sounds like a movie scene.
Yes, nature gives me energy. After that, I met my friend Alex. We ate pizza and talked for hours.
Pizza and deep talks. Perfect Saturday evening. On Sunday, I visited my grandmother. She is 85 years old and full of life.
That is wonderful. What did you do together?
We baked a chocolate cake. The kitchen smelled amazing. She told me stories about her childhood.
Family stories are like small treasures. On Sunday morning, I went to church. It is very important for me.
Why is it special for you?
I am a Christian. I believe that Jesus is my Savior. At church, I feel peace and hope. We sing songs and listen to the pastor.
It sounds like a strong start for a new week.
Yes, it gives me strength, even when life is difficult.
Okay, so our weekends were different. You had nature and church. I had art and family.
But we both felt happy. That is the most important thing.
Now it's your turn. What did you do last weekend? Write in the comments in English.
Don't be afraid of mistakes. Mistakes help you learn.
Wait, William, I have a question. What if someone says, "My weekend was boring"?
Then I will say, maybe your weekend was quiet, not boring. Quiet can be beautiful.
Oh, I like that. Quiet weekends are like soft music. Not loud, but still nice.
After church on Sunday, I went to a small local market. I bought fresh bread and honey.
Fresh bread is the best smell in the world.
Yes! I went home, made tea, and ate bread with honey. It was simple, but perfect.
Sometimes happiness is not big. It is small and warm. On Sunday evening, I helped my grandmother with her computer.
Oh no, was it difficult?
Very! She wanted to see my painting. When she saw it, she said, "Mia, this lake looks like blue soup."
Blue soup? That is funny.
Yes, but we laughed together. And laughing together is better than a perfect painting.
You know, Mia, weekends teach us something.
Really? What did your weekend teach you?
It taught me that nature gives peace. Friends give support. and faith gives hope.
That is beautiful. My weekend taught me that trying new things is important, even if you make mistakes.
Now imagine your next weekend. What will you do?
Maybe you will cook something new.
Maybe you will call an old friend.
Maybe you will go for a walk and notice the sky.
Or maybe you will just rest. And that is also okay.
Let's practice English together right now.
Write this sentence in the comments. Last weekend and finish it.
It can be simple. For example, last weekend I watched a movie.
Or, last weekend I cleaned my house.
Don't worry about grammar too much. Practice is more important than perfection.
Remember, your life is not boring. It is a story.
And when you speak English, you tell that story to the world.
If this video helped you, press like right now. It takes 1 second, but it helps us a lot.
Subscribe and join our English family. New episode, new story.
And share this video with one friend who wants to improve English.
See you soon. Keep learning, keep smiling, and enjoy your next weekend adventure.